Hello everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. I've got a really quick fun tutorial for you to add to your Halloween to-do list. All you need to do is start on your rock with a nice big round orange circle or yellow or purple or green, whatever Halloween-y color you're thinking of, just anything that can contrast with your black that you're gonna do. We are gonna do a fun pumpkin silhouette and we're just gonna dive right in. It's gonna be really pretty simple to do once you've seen it, and you'll be able to do these in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So the first thing we're gonna do is find out where we're gonna put our stem of our pumpkin. Now, the stem of our pumpkin, all of the pumpkin, I guess, mostly is going to be black. We're gonna let some orange poke through where the eyes and mouth are and a couple of the seams. So we can just start right away by filling in our stem black and just kind of come down and into our shape here. Now right away I'm gonna lay out my eyes. And if you want to go with something nice and simple, you can make a circle mouth. I think that's kind of fun. Or you can do the traditional jack-o'-lantern face. Just remember, once you draw your lines, you can touch them up with orange later. If you make a mistake, I'm just going to go with a pretty simple smile on this guy. Like that. We got to give him a bottom here that we're going to be aiming for, and then we're going to give them his outside shape. We're going to go up, around, make sure our orange is filling in where we're going, up and around like that. Now for the most part, what we're going to do is just fill in this pumpkin, but to make him have a little bit more fun shape, we're going to leave almost like little highlight lines of orange within our filling. So what I mean by that is we're going to come along here and pretend like, so here would be a stripe of our pumpkin if we were going to draw lines in our pumpkin. So we're going to actually leave an orange stripe, just a little one up there at the top on this side like that. And then we're going to do another one here. So the stripe would maybe be through this part of our pumpkin. So we're going to have it down here just a smidge through our design before it disappears. Okay. So we'll do the same thing over here. Draw the line, give it a little bit of a depth. So you can see it just a smidge. You can always leave these a little bit wider. When you're filling in, you might run into them and bump into them a little bit. Eventually they all kind of curve to the bottom here. And then we're also going to give ourselves a really fun stem. So we're gonna kind of go up, give it a swirl one way, maybe laying on the top, swirl the other way, like so. Now it's all about filling in, and I'm just gonna use my black acrylic paint here because my bigger Posca pen is MIA, but that's okay. I can just fill it in with acrylics. I'll speed that up though. Okay, once you've got it all filled in, I'm just gonna add like a really sketch circle type accent around my circle just to break up the edge between the orange and the black. I'm gonna start on the black so you can't see where it starts and finishes. Let's see if I can hold it to the side while I do this so you can see better. There we go. And we're just gonna go kind of trace it, but not right on top. And that's funny because I'm almost perfectly on top as I say that. And we'll go back the other way, up over the edge. So let's go make sure I'm more off to the side this time. And we'll go this way. Just kind of bumping around just to kind of, that way if you don't have a perfect orange circle, that's okay. And it's Halloween, things should be kind of squiggly sometimes. And he's finished. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. You can kind of rough it up a little bit more. I just did that with my cat tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy Halloween rock painting tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I will be linking to another video in our Halloween playlist as well here at the end. If you're interested in becoming a rock star and getting sneak peeks of our videos first, ad-free, click on the Rockstar button. Everybody have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.